Proverbs 10 and 29, it says that the way of the Lord is a refuge for the blameless. The way of the Lord. I have my own way. You have your own way. Do you know that? That you can be master of your ship. And you can direct the course of your life the way you want it to go, the way your mama told you it was supposed to go, the way your educators told you it was supposed to go. But there is a way that God has ordained for us to walk in, a destiny purpose for us. And it is a refuge, it is a safe place.